Hello, welcome to yet another video compilation from the Clean Air Bus Production Studio. Today's video consists of bus observations at the new temporary 168th Street Bus Terminal on June 6, 2025. The old bus terminal at 165th Street and 89th Avenue was closed on June 1st, making way for a redeveloped retail and transportation space. New York City Transit, MTA Bus Company, and NYC Bus had to relocate to a new temporary bus terminal at 168th Street and 90th Avenue, while the old terminal with its angled platforms is demolished and rebuilt. With a new interim terminal just one block away from the old terminal, some routing changes took place. Instead of using Merrick Boulevard and 89th Avenue to access the old terminal, buses now use 168th Street or 169th Street to access the new terminal, depending on which direction they're coming from. And now for the buses. Don't forget to subscribe.
Bus is turning. Dê paso atrás. El autobús está hacia la vuelta.
Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Check back for new content on Tuesdays and Fridays. The Clean Air Bus Production Studio, showcasing mass transit.